Hey there, traders. Do you want to make quick profits scalping gold today? This video is for you. Watch up the end so that you don't miss anything in this video. I'll teach you the best strategy that you can use to scalp gold every day so that you make quick profits in the market. Yes, so let's dive in. So this is my gold chart. So I was able to make profits in this week, and I used my scalping strategy that is almost 80% win rate. So now this one I use a retracement method. Okay, I always trade retracements, guys. Okay, so now for example, now this was a bullish market. It was making higher highs and higher lows, and that was a high that was broken there. Then you can see it went on breaking highs. This was a high that was broken right there. This was a high that was broken right there. So now this setup we caught it right from here. Okay, we caught a retracement right from here. This was a change of market structure. Okay, so now when it was a bullish market, so you know this was the last low that it left. Okay, so now after identifying that yes, that was the last low that the market left, what I did is waiting for the break of that low. Okay, so now when you wait for the break of that low right there, you can see that the market first came, but when it came, it didn't break, rather it just left us with a wick right there. So now we said no, we cannot do that. So we waited until the market broke here. So now it broke and left us that low right there. Okay, so now after that you can see it started retracing. It started retracing right from here. You can see this is a retracement. Okay, so now after breaking, right there, so now it showed us that yes, there is a bullish momentum right here. So now someone would just scalp you can enter and you really take the market up. Okay, so now also after breaking, so there was the zone that we were waiting the market to come to. Okay, so now there was this supply zone right there. Okay, there was that supply zone right there, and after indicate that supply zone, also when you go to your lower time frame, so you will see another you will see like you will see a fair value gap. Now for example, here you can see a 15-minute, there is that order block right there, but the market didn't reach the order block, but also there is this fair value gap. Okay, so now the market used this fair value gap, okay, to move. Okay, so now you can see there is that fair value gap. So when the market came to it, you can see how it behaved. It sold massively. Okay, so now just know this strategy is the best, guys. So now it sold massively. Okay, so now making us that yes, after selling, remember this was the last low. Okay, this was the last low right here. So now it also came here and broke this low. So now we always wait for the market to come to the last low. So now after coming the last low, you have to watch how it behaves. So now you have to watch it. Okay, when it reaches there, you have to go to the higher time frame, like on the 1 minute time frame, sorry, on a 1 hour time frame, and you see whether the market will break with full body candles. Okay, when it doesn't break with full body candles, it is not break of market structure. So now when you see here, can you see this one? It broke on the 1 hour time frame with the full body candle. So after breaking, it also showed us a bullish momentum. That's why some people came and scalped this one. After it came to our low here, some people came and entered for a buy from here. Then we took it up. Okay, so now it was a very nice trade. They took it up right here. So now also you can see when it reached there, you can see that there are some zones. Okay, there is this zone right there. Okay, so also this one, it used it as liquidity. Then there was this zone it used now to sell. Okay, there would these scalp moves here. You can see these scalp sellers right here. So some people, they really scalped after identifying that yes, we are now kind of rich. So this scalping strategy is golden. We always use market structure shift and break of market structure. Okay, and also you can trade a retracement. So let's go to this market right here. Let's go to the market right here. You can see right here. Okay, so now here it is the market I was showing you guys. This one, it always forms this. Okay, so now it was a bullish market. Then you can see this was the last low that the market had made. After breaking that low, you can see how the market behaves after breaking the last low. It goes back to the zone, okay. After going back to the zone, you can see how it behaves. Okay, you can see the sell it made. So that's scalp. Okay, always you have to identify the last low, and when the market breaks the last low with the full body candles, you have to say yes, so it has broken it. So now you see your confirmation and you enter the market. So when you use that scalping method, I assure you, you'll get quick profits in the market. Hope this video has been helpful for you guys. So consider subscribing, give a like to this video, share it to friends so that they can also benefit. We meet.